Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet all of you according to una time. I remain your friend, your sister, even your girl, anointed lady. Yes, this one when I carry come today now from Edo State. Oba of Benin dey try, they talk. But what about the people wey be say e no wan hear? I remember how many times Oba of Benin don't talk for CDA matter. E don even swear for CDA matter, but they no dey hear. Some community dey sell land 10 times. One land 10 times they give different people. When the owner come, they go give the owner RIP. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? You don buy land for somebody, you don settle community, settle every another person go still go carry the land, sell am. After they'll say Oba no dey talk. Make una just watch wetin happen. I dey come back.
Okay, don't dey lie. Yes, my ever conscious Edo people, we have just left the site where we interviewed China Mo. And from what we're seeing, we are on site here to see those, we like call them notice that was placed here by Church of God Mission. So from right behind you in this house you're seeing that is fully completed with roof, you can see a notice on the wall saying remove, and there's a phone number to that notice. Similar thing is applicable to other buildings here. Foundations newly, you can see the remove sign with a red pen. Come closer, please. With the phone numbers of Church of God Mission. With the phone numbers of Church of God Mission on it. So you can see that not only on one building, there are very many here. Come with me. Come with me.
Look at the remove. This is well pronounced.
You can see it here. That's removed. You can see it on my right hand side here with me. Then show them behind this other same building. You can see it. Well stated. We're live now. On this way. We're live now because we don't want the thing to be supporting one side as the case may be. What is here, you can even see people are living in their homes here. So Church of God Mission being a community and a public God's own church is also giving room for settlement. But the truth about it is that this is what we're saying. We should not give room for people to forcefully collect lands from people, and people should not take over lands forcefully where people have invested monies, because the reason for buying a land is that you want to develop. So nobody should cut development short. From what I'm seeing here, I think there's room for settlement. So if you have an issue here, feel free to contact us, myself, Kola Edokbayi, and I bet you'll get your matter resolved. From what is going on here, I think it's a different thing. It's all over. It's all over everywhere. You can go on and on and on and on. People are living in their homes here. So that's it. So my conscious Edo people, from what I've seen here and what you are seeing with me, the truth be said, this fact-finding mission have made us to understand that the church is the owner of this place and they are taking over what they have bought. So I want to appeal to everybody. The major thing here is that those people who have spent money should get value for their money. That is our intention in this issue. And those people who are wrongly selling over community lands that they've not been given the right to sell should please desist forthwith. And those other people who are fighting over the lands should find a way of making peace. For crying out loud, Edo want to develop. Let us not be our own enemy. Once again, I remain no other person than your Noble Right activist. You can see for yourself the buildings that were pulled down. Come. The foundations that were pulled down. It's not like okay. It's not like it's a massive foundation. Although it's not much, you can see it. This is the foundation that was pulled down, so you can see for yourself. It's not like a big full-blown house. All the big houses I'm seeing here, they didn't destroy them. Now you can see this house where he is living. This woman is in her house. I know she will decline to talk. It's not forcefully, but she's living in her home. Despite the fact that Church of God Mission has taken over their land, she's still living in her house. Her remove symbol. No, come this way. Leave it alone. Her remove notice is also here. So here, I hear say the same one I can reset to Abi.
A person they leave my house.
Okay. Okay. So that is it. So you hear the Church of God say they should leave her in her house. So this is what we are talking about. Let us try to allow peace to reign. It shouldn't be violence, shooting of guns, fighting one another because of land. We all made this land here. Our forefathers lived here. Our father lived here. And nobody fought themselves because of this land. So why are we, with all the technology and information we are, available to have today in our society, why are we fighting ourselves? So you can see the woman. It's not like the situation people are painting out there. If you have a property here, come out forward. Those of you who have been calling me, Church of God Mission has given a room to settle. Now you have seen us, we have interviewed China Mo. We're also going to hear from other parties. But the truth be said, if you have a land here, the church has opened the window for you to settle. So please, let's not promote negativity. This is the kind of thing we welcome in our state. If there are issues over land, it should be settled amicably. Once again, I remain another person and your noble right activist. It's very tedious that the caller Idopaye went to the other side too, so you'll be hearing from him from his own end, because they are both sides. It's over 500 plots. You cannot just walk around the 500 plots. Come and see, even around this house, it's still here. Look at it. The notices are there. It's well painted on the wall. I think on the house behind you is also painted. So my people, let's learn to promote peace. Edo State is for all of us. Let's learn to promote peace. Thank you.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
If you tell us your name.
My name is Charles Uyekme.
Okay.
aka China Moon.
China Moon.
Yes.
For social media, we just get different news, some kind of news. But people like us know you to be a perfect gentleman. But some kind of news information will come they get for social media. Amigo, they accuse you. The other one, husband, I believe their name. JP is a man of Lucky. Okay, Lucky. Different accusations from different places. People like us, we're not going to fit just conclude without hearing from the other side. We believe in the principle of natural justice. For law, they call it Nimo Judas in Kausaswa and Audi Otara pattern. We did one can hear your own side of the story before we will finally give our own judgment as far as this issue is concerned.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my brother. Me, I not get within really much when I want to talk about.
Yes.
Even this interview, I be not even one granted. But I look and say it's still good me to hear my own side.
Yes.
Because waiting they happen, not being that they talk about.
Okay.
Waiting happen within me, us for the Degbe and JP of Scandinavia. Not past land matter.
Okay.
Now land matter. Us for the Degbe now be our community youth vice chairman. Now my boy, not be from my community. He was loyal to me. Now make me put him as vice chairman of my community to checkmate the chairman because I be businessman.
Okay.
Now make me put him. As I put him, at the end of the day, he can't start to sell land. After I don't sell land finish, the land we will sell for Church of God Mission some 3, 4, 5 years ago, he enter inside, break their fence, start to sell all their land. Last 2 years when I go America, when I come back, I can't see him say, now Mercedes Benz, now he can't use. Now I was going to say, oh boy, how far? It's not better for you. He say, no, he say, now Yahoo. Now he do, say, go Ghana. Now I say, that was a very good one. But inside my mind, I the reason I'm say, which day is that Yahoo? But I rest. Not until this last year, recently, the Church of God Mission come meet me, say their land, they come meet me and a nogi of my community. They say the land where they buy from us, they won't go take possession. you know, they won't start to dey work inside. When those ones reach inside there now, inside there, they don't sell them. As for the Degbe, that's Iranomigo younger brother, don't sell all the land. 560 plot wey they buy from us, Iranomigo brother, as for the Degbe, don't sell almost 200 plots from the land. They sell them, they sell them from the back. So nobody know. From there, na Iranomigo can call me from America. Say I beg, because Iranomigo na person wey I know before. But I know say na dubious person. I dey always dey run from am. Since we started to cause elder statesmen for Benin, started to run for am. I no come dey talk to am. But suddenly that day, Iranomigo just call me. Say I beg. He say make I join a brother fight Church of God Mission.
Okay.
Make I join am say because say a brother don confess to am. Say wetin he don sell for that place don pass 200. Then I say me no fit do that one. And I say because you can never eat your cake and have it. Then I say and with the level of my own level for Benin today and with my age, I say I no fit do that kind of thing. Then brother say he beg. Then I say I know. They even go buy goat. Come give me. Say I beg make I forgive the boy. I say me no fit do that kind of thing. Then after they see and say I no agree, they can't go meet Church of God Mission. They can't go tell Church of God Mission say na me sell the land. Okay. Say na me dey sell the land. Accidentally Church of God Mission come meet me again say now you dey sell this land. Why you dey say na your boys na him sell am? Because I no get time when I still dey talk too much with somebody. Now I say okay, Church of God Mission if you fit say na me dey sell the land, una go carry una land. Now Church of God Mission reach there. As they reach there, people don't even live for the houses. So the area where people never start to live, those small fence, because at night they come to the lay foundation for the community. When my community boys go see me, they pursue them. They go use cultists, all these cultist boys, they pursue my community boys go back. They will lay foundation for night. Church of God Mission reach there. Small space where they see, now they remove all the small fence where the people don't do. Because this one was the one they just said this December so. And they remove them. As they remove am, wetin me just come here now na my name for social media. Okay. China Moon, this, that. They no even dey talk about the land again. Yes. Wetin dem dey talk now, I go kidnap their mama, I go do this one, I go do that one. Now I even respond, I carry phone, I call Iranomigo. Now I say, Iranomigo, you are too old for this. Iranomigo, if person go kidnap your mama, you will go police station. Yes. You will go report am. If they destroy your house, you will go police station, you will go report. I say na the best way to take get us. Not you shouting on social media. I say, he says he talk to me, I know here. Now I start to carry my wife, my children, everybody. They carry and they come out for Facebook, for social media. Cause when I don't receive, me I don't tire. So me no want worry again. Me want make it continue to talk. They go. Now I know what they talk. Anybody that has found one thing, maybe government when the time is right. Maybe the necessary security authorities, yes, they go now call. And waiting baffle me pass again. And yesterday evening, I watch one. As for the Degbe, Iranomigo younger brother, same father, same mother, same. He get one time when me carry money, give him, me go kill my enogi. So that very part, they very important to me. And I want the government, all necessary security agent, authority to please call on him. Because this is I don't know how to call it. They should call on him so that he should come and prove when and how I ask him to go and kill my Enogi that is my brother. I have reported the case to so many security agencies. Okay. So that's it.
Okay. So this allegations so they level against you, so they talk say you contract on someone that go eliminate the Enogi. You say nothing like that.
God forbid.
But you say you don't report to various security agencies.
Yes.
But why have you say they never take action?
They suppose don't take action. Yes. They don't go in house, they don't see him.
Okay.
Yesterday they even go in house, they don't see him. Day before yesterday they go in house, they don't see him. Nobody even dey in house as we speak.
Okay.
Because why he first run? Why he just first run? Wetin he do if I make am run? He carry thugs come my house for community. As he come here, he come carry gun, he come fire my house for community. He still dey this house where for they do this video so.
Yes.
You see up there, you get where he shoot there. 2 places when he shoot. Now God save me that day say I quick see the motor, they enter my compound. Now, and only me sit down here. Me and one of my boy. Now sit down here. Now run, now bush inside bush, now run enter. They run, they go. Then in now, I don't see as I find and reach. I don't go everywhere. That same day, I went to Ologbo one police station. I go report. Police reach there, they don't see him. So we don't know where in day now. So may God make me find am. Nothing. All the thing where they don't talk. No one even to pay me inside. That one say na me. Send am. As for the dead say na me. I send am say make you go kill it, no give. I won't make that fat. Make them bring and come outside. So now so.
Okay, what about all those prospective buyers now we buy land for that place? So for that government mission, I say they don't go they sell land.
Yes.
What of those people now? What will be the fate of those people? We say he buy that land. So
Church of God Mission don't open a venue for them. Make them come they settle.
okay.
And some persons don't even go there, go they settle.
Okay.
Go they buy from the Church of God Mission. They're ready to collect stipends from these people because now house of God.
Yes.
You understand? They don't get that kind of mind. Say where person they live. If you even reach that place now, not be how they take pen time to the world. Not be so it be.
Yes.
Not be so it be. So now so.
In all this, you know, say all of us, you are a stakeholder. Every one of us, we there also now stakeholders. All of us, they make sure say we promote peace and tranquility
for
our various communities and our states. So make you just say be like that. All of us they maintain peace, more they promote peace because if crisis day like that, people don't feel consider what call invest for where crisis day. It frustrates potential investors.
Yes.
As a father, as a statesman, I beg make sure say peace. If you just say some kind of matter, be say not clear, security agencies will just report instead of taking the law into your hands.
God forbid bad thing. I can never take the law into my hand.
Okay.
I'm always a peacemaker.
Yes.
Anything when it hot, I dey fear am.
So
all this while when we dey do all of this, now one person, peace dey the community.
Yes.
Now just one person, and this person not be from my community. Now from this Sama JP of Scandinavia. Sama I get in here This JP of Scandinavia and Ranomigo and his brother. This JP of Scandinavia, he go stay 4 months for Sweden. He go stay 1 month for Sweden. He go stay 4 months for Nigeria. Now this Nigeria, me no know say na my community land. Then they gather they sell. Now here, he makes the builders for Ring Road, the builders for town. Now here, a brother still give him where he build his own house inside the same Church of God Mission. Then a brother still sell give him make. So why did they come up with all of this thing so that make we not see road investigate the matter? If you want to investigate, if you want to say something about somebody, you come outside. We go to see you.
Yes.
You go meet police. Check now, kidnap my mama or police now not here. Police go come, they will arrest me. Then you where they talk, you go stand. Make you they tell me how I take kidnap your mama. But me not see them. They don't run. Now me even gonna find them now because they don't come shoot here now. They don't run. Because you know one may will get peace. But there is peace in this community. If you go to the bush now, you see people walking. You go for inside that Church of God Mission land now, people they walk. People will don't go settle with Church of God Mission. Wait till they destroy now small foundation because once they don't say, you say a Church of God Mission won't come on quickly foundation put. You know, only one person now cause all this wahala. Maybe as for the Degbe and JP of Scandinavia, Lucky Edegbe. When the Ranomigo they shout, they go. Ranomigo say, "I not go enter America again."
You say no fear.
They say I not enter America again. So that one, terrorists will say in B. We go meet with and go solve that one for America. Anytime when I still reach America. But the one way concern me now, this Church of God Mission own. I want make the world know say Church of God Mission bought land from us. You can interview our Enogi. They bought land from us, and about don't carry the land sell. So maybe they talk waiting there on board.
Yes.
Not be can they go left, go right. So now my brother. Thank you.
You might get any question before we round up this session.
But sorry, even if I'm behind the camera trying to ensure our viewers
Now Pidgin English program
even as I did behind camera, they try to understand, make things go, make our people wey still get some complaints, make them see here as they happen. Because everybody know they allege you saying, so you be killer, Now so you want kill an amigo, now so you want kill him brother. I beg those people if you say still buy land for there, is there any way those ones when they complain say their land they don't take up for there, is there any way you can see assist them to make sure that the Church of God, the Church of God mission to reclaim that their investment, because some of them are people that are suffering abroad and they want to see how they can stay.
They don't open a venue. They don't open a Church of God mission don't open a venue for settlement. They don't open am. If you just come, once you come, even the remove wey dem write, na go see those remove just now. Carry una go the place. Now go see am, they write remove, they write their number, put. So they go call them and stipend. People don't go do am. People don't they settle their own off.
Okay.
You understand? So now so it be. Because me, I know fit join us for the Degbe and Amigo Constitute for Nigeria. You know, if they America, they make it mouth. Then make it they talk with left, talk go right. Then people go they listen to them. I don't know why people they won't still they listen to that guy.
Welcome back, my correct people. Thank you very much for watching. My own take for this matter, because I had no say Oba of Benin don't come out countless time to come put stop for this CDA matter. Like to the sell land they give, to sell one land they give more than one pay. Once you don't sell that land, you don't sell land. Wetin they pay me once you don't sell am, chairman don't sell am, e boys go see this and chairman go still know say e boys want still sell the land due to say they go still give chairman e own share. Then he go give them go ahead to go sell the land. At the end, the chairman when they come dey touch, chairman will say he don't know the time when the boys still sell am. Okay, wetin go come happen? They also okay, I go give am 50 by 100 for another place. Come go give am 50 by 100 for inside bush wey be say not develop. This thing don dey go on. How una want me be say which how una say make dem take dey look us like that? Eh?